Bonjour. Cara, pour ça, des réductions sur tout le chocolat de la marque Halba. Mark or Marque? Mark. So this is the discount coupon. 40% discount. Actually, when I checked out the counter at Coop, they gave me free chocolate. I'm eating it now. It's this one. Thank you, Halba. Thank you, Coop. So I plan to go there again to buy a bottle of water so that I could get another chocolate.